Yo, what's up, man? It's J Dog, yo. Trying to get you, help you with my how to connect HDMI cord to your Magnavox TV. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dude. From your PS3 to your TV and shit, man. Alright, let's keep it real. Alright. You gotta see, that's your PS3 right there. You see that shit right there? PS3 on shit. Alright, this is your TV. This TV, yo. Yeah, watching MTV and shit. Yeah. Hells yeah, man. AP sucks though. For real, man. Alright, let's get it on, though. Here's your cord right there. The back, you can see that shit. I mean, yeah. Here's your controller and shit, and then get you alright, that's your this is your HDMI cord right here. Plug it in, put it in, hook it up, you're good to go. Alright, what you gotta do is go to the hold on, shit. Go to channel 1. Oh shit. Alright, hold up. You switch it, go down. I don't know what's going on. That should be on. Yeah, that's Modern Warfare right there. Straight up, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let's connect it. Try to connect it. Oh, that's my point right here. You like that shit? This is my dorm, as you can see. That's my desk right there. That's a window. This is Eau Claire right here. Eau Claire, man. I'm saying Eau Claire. See that shit? Alright. There you go. It's a good view, man. Good view. That's why I go to school. Alright. This is my closet right here. And I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. Let's get back to the HDMI cord and shit. Let's start. Wait, what the heck? What's going on? You gotta quit that shit. Quit it. No, for real though. Alright, you go to the settings. You go down to display settings. Alright. Yeah, quit. You watching that shit? Yeah, you watching it? There you go. Popping up. You go to, yeah. Alright, you go down. Make sure that that's full right there, full. And then that's on the, yeah, HDMI 1 on cord. Alright. Yeah. Go up. Go to output. Yeah, just choose whatever. Yeah, find HDMI 1, I guess. Yeah. And then you're good to go, man. It should what's that? It should work. If not, yeah. Just leave me a comment in my blog, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Yeah. Alright, man, peace out. That's J Dog for real though. That's J Dog, you know what I'm saying? Waka!